Ford truck to check out at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1955 Ford F100 Shortbox step side. One of those you can put some TLC and time into, make it your own, or maybe just take it and drive it the way it is. Has a 292 Y block underneath the hood. That's paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission. Shifter on the column. When we pop the hood, it lets you check the engine bay out. You can see Edelbrock 4-barrel on it, headers. And if you want to take your time looking through the still pictures, so you can see the underside of the truck, interior, engine bay, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. And the front is primer brown, has had some work done to it, obviously a start. And then the box is more of a patina. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the box of it. You'll be able to see all these angles and the still pictures, and again, you can check out the underside, the engine bay, and interior too. And we'll look at the interior in just a bit and fire it up so you can hear it run. Once again, take your time looking through those still pictures. uniqueclassiccars.com. All right. So bench seat up front. Someone has equipped seat belts in there. Side pipes on it down here, coming out underneath the running boards. Let's go ahead and start it up. Put the key on this side. It does have a push button start over here. Starts easily. Of course, a little rumble coming out of those side pipes. Make sure we're neutral. Give you an idea how it sounds. I'm going to pause this a second. Let me go ahead and get this hood pop. Take 2 hands, and we'll check out that engine bay and wrap this video up. Are we good? There we go. Let's try that one again, DT. There we go. Hood popped open. 292 Y block. There you can see headers, Edelbrock 4-barrel on it. Valve covers, air cleaner cover. Like I said, one of those, drive it the way it is, have a little bit of fun with it. Maybe you're looking for the start of a street rod, want one to tinker on, make it your own. Here you go, 1955 Ford F100 Shortbox step side. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1955 Ford 100. As you can see, it's winter in Minnesota, but the roads are primarily dry, and we wash our vehicles so we can do these driving videos for you. truck could be a good project. Knobs under the dash do not have effect. The wipers will try to work. The truck's a little noisy, so I will get up to speed, but I will talk before that. It's got side pipes, and they actually sound really good. You got a decent amount of play in the steering. Fuel gauge is at E. That may be operable, I'm not sure. Temperature gauge does not have a needle that I can see. Push button start on the left. This truck starts really good. Idles and runs pretty good. There's a light for the oil, a light for the battery. Those have not illuminated. They may be functional. This is a 3 on the tree. As I was saying, maybe a little loud, so I will just get her up to speed and let you witness it. Check this truck out on our website. Are working. This truck does go nice and straight down the road. Other than the play of the steering, it's easier to drive when you're at